Okay, boys, as you can see, top end kit came in. So gonna clear the space to work on this, and yeah, should only take a little bit. Forgot school in half an hour. I just do a little bit of online, so snow's pretty melted. Might be able to take her for a rip, I think. And yeah, hopefully we have it going soon. This one just adjusted the valves, and my booster pack kind of killed itself, so maybe it'll run now. But I remember the rings are really bad, like just hot air completely blows out of the oil or out of the oil cap, so rings are bad. It's letting compression down into the crankcase, so probably need to order a gasket and ring kit for that. But yeah, at least we can get this little mini running for now. And then that one over there also needs rings, but I mean, it doesn't even have spark right now, so we'll worry about that later. That'll be the last one I get running, even though it's my nicest machine. It's got the shaft drive with high, low, and reverse. This one has high, low, and it's chain driven. I also need to buy a chain for it. But yeah, we'll get to work on that. Okay, so the exhaust is off, which that isn't the proper exhaust. I'm working on getting one right now. I'm taking the head and cylinder out right now. Once I get those off, I'll show you a little trick to remove the studs, and then we will be good to go to put the fresh stuff on. So because this kit came with new studs, we want to take the old ones out, which basically I just put two nuts down there, one to hold the first one in, and then you're gonna hold up. Well, this isn't working the way it's supposed to. What's going on here? Okay, so we might need to get two wrenches, or a wrench and a ratchet. I'll figure it out and then explain how to do it, because this one's just rotating with the other one, which is weird. I'm not sure why, but that's what's happening. So we're gonna put a ratchet on this side just to lock this one into place while we loosen that one. So got the top end stripped down. There's still side to side play. There was always side to side play. There is the slightest bit of up and down now, but I did fully expect that when I first put this machine together, because the bearings were washed out. So I did expect to get a little bit of up and down play, but there is more than enough life left in this to keep running it. Was not able to get the studs off. I don't know what it is about the bolts that I have, but instead of working as like a lock nut, they just move together. But these studs are in good enough condition to keep using, so I'm just gonna slap the top end back together, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm also gonna have to make carburetor adjustments because I had it super rich to make that worn out top end kind of work. So I was having a hard time installing the cylinder on the piston. Then I went and looked up online, and Rocky Mountain says you should install it into the cylinder without anything being on, and then slide your wrist pin and such in. So I'm gonna go and do it that way. Okay, got the cylinder on. Just gotta slap the head gasket that came all bent up on, and the head, and then we're ready to go. Oh, and make carburetor adjustments, can't forget that. And I guess we're gonna just use the fatty pipe for now till we go pick up that parts machine. Okay, now I'm just gonna test for spark. I'm holding you up with my legs, so it might get a bit shaky. Let's see. Oh my god. So it's probably a week or two later currently.
got it running today. Spark problem ended up fixing itself just by sitting. So yeah, it's running and driving. I'm not even gonna spoil it for you. You guys can see in the next video, which I've already edited and everything. It's gonna be posted a second after this one. But it needs the OEM parts. The stuff I have on it just isn't working out. The exhaust and carburetor that's on it. Not sure what one's causing it, or it could even be I didn't do proper heat cycles because I just wanted to ride it, but there are problems. So I'm gonna pick up a parts machine probably tomorrow. Found one for 40 bucks. Hopefully, I know it has the exhaust header. Hopefully it has a carburetor, and then we should be good, hopefully. But you guys can find out all about that in the next part. It's already uploaded, and then probably in a week we will have part 5 out. Probably less than that, but I'm just saying a week to be safe, because I completely forgot about the series and I haven't even posted for a month, even though I've had these videos in my phone forever. So yeah.